begin. Personally, I think the three most common misbehaviors of students are laziness, um, loudness inside the classroom, not having control, okay, in terms of talking and conversing with classmates and even answering. Um, what else? Lack of interest in the lessons. So how do I deal with all three? If the level at which the students are doing it is still tolerable, I just ignore. For example, somebody would just shout in the classroom out of nothing. So most students would do that with a desire to just get attention. So if I would always keep on calling the attention of that student, he would have the idea in mind that every time he would need attention, I would give him that. If I do, it would be done constantly. It would become a habit of him. So what I do is that I just ignore. And then for other misbehaviors, of course, being a member of the system, we have certain policies and steps to follow in dealing with students' misbehavior. So if, for example, I'm only a subject teacher, if I can deal with the thing myself with the student, that I do personally. So I'd call the attention of the student and then talk to him or her and then ask the student what the problem or problems is or are, and then that we talk about, we discuss together. If I think that, or apart from that, I also try to keep track of how often the student, for example, shows lack of interest in the lesson or laziness. If that's often done, okay, I call for the parents, okay, for conference. Now, if that still does not work, okay, I go to the advisor, and then the advisor and I will talk about it, and then we will talk to the students. If that still does not get resolved, that's when we submit the case to the guidance office. That's how things are dealt with in class.